Hi, I'm Sean Michael Reagan, and this is Cool Tools. Here's an object which I personally find quite amazing. A 21-inch crowbar made of solid titanium. It weighs just 1.5 pounds, and though I don't have an identical steel crowbar, this one is just 14% longer, but weighs 150% more. I bought this guy through a mail order catalog 25 years ago. I paid a bit more than $100 for it and considered that an outright steal. Nowadays, you still can't buy these on Amazon, but you can get them shipped directly from the Russian Federation through eBay for even less than I paid back in 1995. Just 80 bucks, including shipping. At the time of production, the only similar tool available through Amazon in the US is this 12-inch nail puller, which goes for almost exactly the same price, but is barely half as long. All right, thank you for watching. As always, there's affiliate links in the description field below the video. If you've seen anything you like, please do check those out over at cool-tools.org.